And I'm Imelda, ready to travel and have some fun. Today, we're going to visit places full of stories, colors, yummy food, and wild scenery. Let's explore the magical island of Mimaropa!
Wait! What does Mimaropa mean? That magical word?
It's easy. Mi for Oriental Occidental Mindoro, Ma for Marinduque, Ro for Romblon, and Pa for Palawan. Tada! These 5 provinces make up Region 4B of the Philippines.
Wow! And did you know? Mimaropa is so big! More than 29,000 square kilometers. Let's meet each one. Are you ready? Say let's go!
First up, Marinduque. Marinduque, the heart of the Philippines. It's shaped like this. Did you know Marinduque was once part of the larger Mayabas province, Loro? When the Spanish arrived in 15,000, they built churches and wrote Catholic traditions, which we still see today, the famous Mariones Festival. It became a separate province way back 1920. Marinduque has a land area of 952 square kilometers, small but full of fun. People wear big Roman soldiers' masks and parade on the streets during Holy Week. Food, they offer food like Dorado cookies, which is soft, sweet, and perfect for your merienda. While in sceneries, you can hike at Mount Malindang, relax at Poktoy White Beach, and dig in hot springs. Would you like a hot spring bath?
Mindoro, the marine wonderland of the Philippines. But listen carefully, Mindoro is so big. It's actually divided into 2 provinces, Oriental Mindoro and Occidental Mindoro, like twins. Why split? Long ago, the government decided it would be easier to take care of people, school, towns, if it was divided into 2 smaller parts. That way, they can focus on helping their own areas better. Smart, right? Occidental Mindoro is in the western side. Land area, it was 5,865 square kilometers. Festival, the Sablayan Festival. They celebrate their fishing and farming culture. Food, fresh seafood everywhere. Scenery, this is where you'll find part of Apo Reef, one of the best diving spots in the world. Now, on the eastern side, Oriental Mindoro. Land area, it is 4,707 square kilometers. Festival, the super colorful Pandangitab Festival. Scenery, visit Puerto Galera with its white beach and coral reefs, which is perfect for snorkeling and diving.
Romblon, the marble capital of the Philippines. Romblon became famous for its skilled marble carvers, which is officially became a province in 1853. For the land area, they have 1,533 square kilometers. They celebrated Binilay Festival, a happy boat parade to honor Santo Niño. Food, dry lato, a secret that pops in your mouth. The scenery, visit Bonbon Beach and walk in the sandbars. Palawan, the last frontier of the Philippines. History, Palawan was already a home to ancient people long before history books. Land area, it's huge. It was 4,649 square kilometers. Food, feeling brave? Try tamilok, a woodworm delicacy. Scenery, Palawan is a magical dream. The underground river, the El Nido Cliffs, Coron Lagoons, pure paradise. Wow, that was so much fun! Mimaropa is full of adventure, festival, food,